Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, the linked email or phone, and a secure device. Next, open Twitch's login screen and click Forgot Password. Enter the email or username associated with the account. This tells Twitch where to send a reset link. Once done, check your inbox and spam folders for the message. If you used a phone, expect a verification code instead. Keep your device nearby so you can receive the code and proceed immediately. You now verify the message and act fast. Open the reset email or SMS within 15 to 30 minutes to avoid expiration. Click the reset link or copy the 6-digit code into the verification field. This proves you control the contact method. When prompted, choose a new password. Aim for 12 or more characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Once done, make sure to save it in a password manager and sign back into Twitch to confirm the change. Finish by signing into Twitch on each device and updating any saved passwords. If you didn't receive a reset message, check spam, email filters, or alternate linked addresses and resend the request 2 to 3 times with short delays. Make sure your inbox storage isn't full. If recovery still fails, gather proof. Account email, past subscription receipts, and channel details. Then contact Twitch support and explain the situation clearly. This gives you the best chance to reclaim access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.